Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to talk about Microsoft Journal. It is really an amazing product launched by Microsoft, which you can get it in your Microsoft Store, and it has really amazing features. People who think in ink. If you are in teaching profession and you want to use your pen in your laptop or in your touchpad, here you can do a lot of things. This can be an alternative for GoodNote or OneNote, and it has really great features like you can erase the things. There is a powerful artificial intelligence through which you can do a lot of great stuff. With the help of lasso tool, you can highlight, you can move, you can convert, and you can give a great experience to your audience if you are into tutorials. You just need to go to this Microsoft Store and type Microsoft Journal, and you need to click on Get, and you will be able to install this Microsoft Journal. Just click on the start icon and go to Microsoft Store and search the same which I am searching right now. So you can have a look and let me know in the comment section if you like it. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.